What if you had just $1,000 and an empty piece of land? Could you build a beautiful tiny home? Let's find out. Every successful project begins with a smart plan. Before spending a single dollar, we need to design every detail carefully. The first job is clearing the land. A clean building site makes construction faster, safer, and much easier. Now we carefully measure the layout. Accurate measurements today will prevent expensive mistakes tomorrow. With everything marked, it's finally time to dig the foundation. Every great home starts from the ground up. Fresh concrete is poured into the foundation, creating a strong base that will support the entire house. Now we build the wooden floor frame. This structure connects the foundation to the future home. Strong plywood flooring is installed, giving us a solid surface to build on.
Hold it there!
The very first wall is lifted into place. For the first time, this project actually starts looking like a home. One wall becomes 4, and suddenly an empty plot begins to transform into something truly exciting. Next comes the roof frame, designed to protect the home from every season. Roof panels are installed, making the structure stronger and ready for the weather ahead. A simple front door is added, creating the first real entrance to our tiny home. Large windows fill the house with natural light, making every room feel brighter and more spacious. A fresh coat of paint gives the exterior a clean, modern look while protecting it from the elements. The outside is complete. Now it's time to bring this tiny home to life from the inside. Warm wooden flooring instantly makes the interior feel comfortable, natural, and welcoming. A compact kitchen proves that even the smallest homes can be both beautiful and practical. A cozy living space is created with smart furniture that keeps the room open and inviting. A comfortable bedroom completes the heart of this tiny home, proving that simple can still feel luxurious. Every home needs a functional bathroom, and smart design helps us fit everything into a surprisingly small space. A stylish mirror reflects the natural light, making the room feel larger than it really is. A compact dining area creates the perfect place to enjoy everyday meals without wasting valuable space. Plants, artwork, and small decorations add personality, turning this house into a warm and welcoming home. From an empty piece of land to a beautiful tiny home, every single step brought this dream to life.